Yeah. Let me make a video real quick. Cranberry? Okay. Hey guys, how you doing? Good morning. Sorry, I was talking to my wife. Just really quick news. If you guys have Gate.io, they are officially banning the US. I highly recommend that everybody take out their funds, put it to their Coinbase, possibly even KuCoin. I think KuCoin has a slightly less chance of getting banned because they're actually based in Singapore, not necessarily in China. So if you do have, this is kind of a quick video that I'm making, so you know, obviously do your research, all that stuff. But yes, Gate.io is getting banned in the US. Start moving your funds out of the wallet, because I think after, I forgot what date, but it's possibly in the next couple of days. You're not going to be able to move or use Gate.io if you are based in the United States. Possibly, I think even Canada too. I think a lot of my Patreon members or actually said that if they were in Canada, that they're also banning it in Canada. So as of right now, I'm assuming that anything that's outside of China is gonna get banned from Gate.io. So I highly recommend you start moving all of your funds out of Gate.io, because after I think a couple days, I'll probably come back and make another video. You're probably gonna be completely effed, and you're not gonna be able to even use the app or log in or take out any of your funds, and they're all gonna be lost to Gate.io. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.